Well, in this checkpost, I had to do a small entry. They will ask me for my e-pass. I did show them the e-pass, and then he asked me the vehicle number and asked my signature there. I gave him my signature, and then he asked me to take a right. This is Palakkad, Mannarkad. Via Mannarkad, you go to Palakkad. That left over there is where you go to Coimbatore and then come to Palakkad. This is welcome to Kerala border. What do I need to show here? Palakkad. Thanks. They asked to check. He asked, where are you going? I said, Palakkad. I said, okay, oh, leave. Done. We are inside Kerala, Palakkad district. This is called Attapadi. Mannarkad. Oh man, I couldn't read that board. Well, I had to read it. Elephants crossing area, drive slow, walls. Which elephant will be there? In Kerala, while entering, they didn't ask me any thing like e-pass or something like that. He just said, okay, you all can go. You can go. Well, I'm just taking this Mannarkad route. That's what they told. Go to Mannarkad and then get lost to Palakkad. Roads have been done, but not level kind of thing. And that crossing thing, they didn't want to put the tar. Not the Tamil Nadu government, nor the Kerala government. And it was so narrow. No one will know that the road has to go like this. Okay, this area, Attapadi side, I think it is KL 50. Man, road is like heavy bumpy, yeah? This is all Attapadi side. Electric fencing. Why Tamil Nadu's flag is still here, the political flag? That route in the Tamil Nadu checkpost where we did that entry, no? I think that route goes to Anakatti and then Coimbatore via Nilambur forest. These are all the other riders. Why? What is reptile eye doing here? I don't know. should join me in some time. This is the fencing because of the elephants. Elephants are on full force here. Well, I might have a cup of tea somewhere. I'm feeling hungry also. I don't think so at this point of time I will get something to eat. I don't think so I'll get something to eat. This is all electric fences. They don't want the elephants to come in. But still, the elephants would come in for drinking water. That is the water river which is flowing. I don't know where is it going up to. Chai get over. Chai. Tea available. Well, I had a cup of tea, had a small break. Now headed towards Mannarkad. That's again a forest area. He says, I asked the shop guy, is there an election going on? He said, yes, Panchayat election is going on. Mannarkad from here, from this particular town, is like 100 kilometers, approximately 100. Well, this route, guys, let me tell you all, the checkpost, what you all saw, the Kerala checkpost and the Tamil Nadu checkpost, ensure to cross before 6 o'clock. After 6 o'clock, they will not allow you. From here, Palu, Mannarkad 32 kilometers. Well, it is hot over here. Not hot, but it's cool. Not that kind of humidity what you feel in Kerala. As soon as you enter, you will start sweating and things like that. It's not that kind of humidity. Yeah, but of course, it's nice. Oh, in between there's a thing, no? Wow, got confused, dude. Oh, you get those black faced monkeys or black monkeys. That's what they say. We don't know. Was this the same forest with that fog and everything? I think it's drizzled or it is rained. Oh my god, it's going heavy. I would say the roads are not that bad, but of course, watch yourself. This useless fellow does not want to allow. He's not allowing me to overtake him also, man. See? This is one of the viewpoints. Here comes our bikers. This is the Mannarkad forest. That was a viewpoint. Well, I didn't stand there because I'm too late. After Manakad Forest, I might stop down somewhere to just check. Himalayan, no? No, that's not a Himalayan. Yamaha. The kid is so happy to see me. Forest checkpost. Palakkad district, Mannarkad police station. Limits. That's the forest checkpost. We are in, oh man, as soon as I came up here, that slight humidity, no, which will hit, it's like slowly touching, huh? What to do? Let's have a cup of tea up here. Riding, yes. Payamburi is there. Now headed towards Palakkad. Well, what to do? I need to get this action cam fixed somewhere. They say from here Mannarkad is closely about 8 kilometers. From Mannarkad to Palakkad is closely about 40 kilometers. Palakkad tonight, it's a halt. That's the route that I have come. But Attapadi, there is a place where it would take closely about 2 days for you all to cover the complete thing. It's that so many sceneries and the views. We'll do it sometime later. Thank you for visiting Silent Valley Forest National Park. Some park. Silent Valley. Where was it silent to? The amount of traffic what was going on was never silent. Palakkad, 27 kilometers. Good. 27. Palakkad 17. Kongad. Palakkad 17. Let's say I have to go to Palakkad only.